In order to restore projects after deleting the app or getting a new device, you'll need to back them up. VideoStar totally respects your privacy, so projects are only stored on your device. VideoStar never uploads your videos to its own servers, but as a result, it is up to you to back up your projects. To back up a project, tap the project menu icon, then Send to Other Apps. You'll see a list of apps on your device that are able to accept your project, like the Files app. Choose the cloud-based site you want to save the project to, like iCloud or Dropbox. Then choose where to save it and tap Save. If you already have a copy of that file, you can choose to replace it or keep both. To restore the project, open the Files app and find the project. Tap and hold on the project to select it. Then tap the Share button. If you're running iOS 17, make sure you choose the Send Copy option, as collaborative files cannot be exported to VideoStar. Then send to VideoStar. To back up a project directly to iCloud, first go to the Settings app and make sure you're signed into iCloud with iCloud Drive turned on for VideoStar. Then tap Backup to iCloud and select Yes. To manage projects saved to the iCloud, tap the cloud icon. Select a project, then choose between downloading or deleting it. Once again, always remember to back up your projects, as videos are only saved in the app. So if you delete VideoStar without backing up your projects first, the videos are gone forever. To learn how to back up your projects to a computer, check out the Backup Projects to a Computer tutorial.